Hello, silly smarties! Let's learn colors today. This is color red. Apple is red. Strawberry is red. Carrot is red. Ladybird is red. This is color pink. Flamingo is pink. Cupcake is pink. Candy is pink. Donut is pink. This is color brown. Chocolate is brown. Sand is brown. Wood is brown. Bear is brown. This is color orange. Pumpkin is orange. Basketball is orange. Starfish is orange. Orange is orange. This is color yellow. Banana is yellow. Mango is yellow. Sun is yellow. Pineapple is yellow. Let's repeat the colors. Red, pink, brown, orange, and yellow. This is color blue. Blueberry is blue. Sky is blue. Whale is blue. Jeans is blue. This is color purple. Eggplant is purple. Plum is purple. Grape is purple. Fig is purple. This is color black. Tire is black. Crow is black. Bat is black. Pole is black. This is color gray. Elephant is gray. Rhino is gray. Dolphin is gray. Koala is gray. This is color white. Polar bear is white. Egg is white. Sugar is white. Snow is white. This is color green. Tree is green. Frog is green. Watermelon is green. Avocado is green. Let's repeat the colors. Blue, purple, black, gray, white, and green. You did amazing! See you next time! Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.